Hi, this is an unboxing video of AOVO Pro M365 Pro ES80, which has 350 watt of motor with dual braking system. I got this scooter on an offer which is still going on their site AOVOPRO.com, and on top of that I got a 5% coupon code which added an extra 5% discount. So in total I got the scooter for $280. So I have added this discount coupon code in between the video, so watch till the end to find the coupon code. So the handle is disassembled, so that's very easy to fit. So rest all is easy job, just to unwrap the thing. And this is how the scooter looks after everything. Inside the box we get a charging kit and a manual. So here I am disappointed with the adapter. The adapter is not made of a good quality material. Even the wire of the charging plug is also not that good. The output is 42 volt and 2 ampere, which is great. The first charge out of the box is 6 hours, then we take 5 hours to charge each. So this is the close-up out of the box review of this bike. On the handle we get a brake, bell, a headlight and the power start button, and to that we get a motor, and that's the charging port. We have to remove the rubber and plug it in. I'm very satisfied with the build quality of the scooter, and the rear mud guard is made of strong plastic material, and has some improvement than the previous designs. We have a decent size stand which can be used as a kickstart. Grippy foot space which is very good in the rainy season. And the bell. Always read the instructions which is given in the manual before you ride. This scooter has a free shipping in the EU. That is another added advantage when you're buying the scooter. This scooter has 3 modes: the sports mode, slow mode and the eco mode. And on the handlebar we have an accelerator. You can see we have to press that down to accelerate the scooter. To fold the scooter we have to remove the lock by pressing a button on top and gently move it to the rear mud guard and attach the knob of the handle to the rear mud guard, and we can carry the scooter when we are going upstairs or inside a house like a suitcase. Put it back to the normal position, it's easy. Gently unplug from the rear mud guard and press gently, and you hear a small click sound and scooter is ready to go. To charge the scooter for the first time, so remove the red rubber in the bottom and plug in the socket. You have to do it gently, and when it is charging it will be red, when it is full it will be green. After the full charge, I rode the scooter for 32 kilometers because I'm a bit heavy, and I'm totally satisfied with the scooter. And I've attached a small knob on the handle to hold my phone, so I will be putting the link of the product in the description. So if you like to buy, you can click the link and buy. So that was the review of AOVO Pro M365. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Until next time, peace out.